For the last part of our unit, The Outsiders, you'll be watching the actual movie from 1982, I believe it is. And you'll also be working on this activity sheet called Book versus Movie. It's a front and back activity where you answer questions and you fill in a Venn diagram based on your knowledge from the book and what you are actually seeing now in the movie. So to use the Venn diagram, on the left-hand side, you'll see the one part of the circle stands for the book. The right side is for the movie, and where the two circles overlap is what they will have in common. Okay, so the left side is the difference from the book, right side the movie, in the middle is what they have in common. So just to show you what I'm looking for, the book explained the characters in detail. Every character was explained, both their personality traits and what they physically look like. On the right-hand side, what I noticed so far was that chapter 1 was missing. The entire chapter that we read is not put into the movie. But what I did find in common was that the imagery was very good. Whatever I read, the author, S.E. Hinton, made us visualize it and put that image in our head. And then what we saw really kind of captivated our imaginations. On the bottom of this, after you're done completing the graphic organizer, which did you like best, the book or the movie? And just don't write book or movie. I want you to tell me why. So there's enough room in there to show us and for you to tell me why you preferred one over the other. Next, what you'll be looking at is the questions. Okay, number 1, think about the main setting in the book. In what ways was it different in the movie than how you imagine? Okay, the setting is the place, the time period, and actually any part of the story that helps us visualize where the story is taking place. Number 2, now think about the main character. How was he or she different than you had imagined? So as you put your picture in your mind of how that character looked while you were reading it, did you find the character looked different, the same, or maybe had a mixture of both, what you thought and how it was portrayed? Next, think of the character or the part of the book that was not in the movie. Give 3 possible reasons for why the people who made the movie left that part of the character out. You have to complete all 3 sections to get full credit. 4, do you think the people who made the movie did a good job of portraying the book? Why or why not? So simply you could put a yes answer and then give an explanation for your answer. And as a vocabulary word, the word portraying means represents dramatically. So how is that character being represented by the people who made the movie? And lastly, I want you to explain which did you enjoy more again, the book or the movie, and tell me why. Okay, I hope you enjoy the movie.